mabati rolling mills yukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntubwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kindi gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asiko babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago tena roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se nyumba ya ouru complex imiyumu chuyigo busongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii Keroka Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2026 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC certified teachers expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language, preparing learners to thrive in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and computer labs. At Timiza, talents are nurtured through a variety of co-curricular activities, including football, basketball, swimming, chess, scouts, and inspiring music programs. With adequate training equipment, our reliable and affordable transport system ensures your child's safety and convenience. Don't miss out. Interviews and admissions for 2026 are ongoing at Timiza School from playgroup to grade 9. Secure your child's place in a school where excellence and opportunity come together. Call us on today 0726 882397 or 0729 658659 for more information or to book an interview. Timiza School. Discover your best.
Springfield Medical Vision Center nigomono egukorereria obukoreri bwa general outpatient consultation na boigo obubweria kukora bari ensemo y'uburingiro laboratory services pharmacy eye care usensemo ya maiso na boigo ensemo ya mainugus dental nigomono ba mentire obukoreri bwabo kuba ubuya n'obuyamano kigiba bagotoka asensema imperial building, ground floor, Samange Bakire Simiase number 0745-268031 was 0721-243247. Springfield Medical and Vision Center, Guika Ekwe, Obokoreriobia. Godmart Supermarket ne supermarket yomugusi yo egokoneria kurwachindagira gwika ebintu byo gutumika nyumba aserigorira nsepe enyorere ebintu byonse buna esukari amase yo kuruga ayokorosi chichabate ayokorosi mandasi korochi company amabuta yokorosi endagera omochere chispaghetti ebisugwiti chijuice amache amabere. Godmart Supermarket nere kumete asokorosia omugati omwansukegema naboigo okorosigwa abuabu as supermarket ga nkonye bali boigo chisabone detergent sanitary towels chipampa tissue paper naboigo chisaviet and same stationery nkonye bali ebitabu chikaramu nebinde ebinge nkonya bali boigo chirangi chebikurutu amalyowe ya mainom nensama ya electronics konya bali chi TV chiufa chi fridge nebinde ebinge banyore ase chi branch ose Chinsa gya abunabono Kisii Kibirigo Ogembo Rungo Kisii CBD Rungai Ngong Riruta Naboigo Kisii Mega. Godmart Supermarket. Get more.
Godmart Supermarket. Get more for less.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoroisia ebintu biria bikomanya seyeka ngokwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chechi brand echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwekirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chebiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores.